In this video, we will review Halifax Bank Investment Account. Halifax Bank Investment Account offers a straightforward, user-friendly platform for individuals looking to invest in a range of assets. These assets include stocks, shares, ETFs, and investment funds. This is ideal for both beginners and those who have more experience. The provider of accounts easy access to a wide variety of investment options with a no account management fee. For self-directed trading, it also offers a free-range, ready-made portfolio based on different risk levels, making it simple for users who are beginners to choose an investment which aligns with their financial goals. While Halifax offers a competitive fees for trades, its research and educational tools are somewhat basic compared to other platforms, meaning investors who are more advanced may need to seek additional resources for a more in-depth analysis. The account provides access to an ISA, a pension, and enhances its versatile for tax efficiency investing. However, more advanced features and personalised investment are limited unless you opt for a higher tier service. Overall, Halifax Investments accounts are a solid, cost-effective choice for those seeking a simple and reliable platform to manage their investments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.